Welcome everyone to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this as the version of ASMR. Today we are going to make a craft using mobile boxes which we usually throw because we think this is useless, but the main purpose of craft is to make decorative things with garbage or useless things. So here we are going to make today a beautiful stand. So the first step begin with the color portion. We have to cover this print using fabric color. You can take any color of your choice like red, yellow, blue, green, whatever it is, but here I choose white color because my whole box is white color. So this will require me less color to apply, so that's why I take here white color. You can take any color of your choice, that totally up to you. So here I take sponge, and using this I'm applying white fabric color all over the box to just simply hide these prints and stickers. I would prefer you to scratch off the stickers, otherwise we have to apply unnecessary product on it. If we can remove stickers, this will helps a lot to cover the box properly with color, and this will give you a finished look. As I have to only hide the stickers and the block prints, so this will take me a less amount of product or paint. That's why I smartly choose white color, and you have to apply 2 to 3 coats to hide the prints and labeling over the box. So you can adjust the number of layers according to your need. I apply here only 2 layers using this sponge. Just make sure to apply the color properly and let it be dry for a while. After that, here I am applying another coat, which I have described earlier, that we have to cover it 2 or 3 times using the sponge. So here I am layering it with second time. So as you can see, the print has totally invisible. This is the final result which we have to achieve. Now just take the proper measurements to done hole on both side of the boxes to just hang it properly. And now after that we are going to stick paper. Here I choose black paper. You can choose any color of your choice, and we cut it into two and just stick inside the boxes. Okay, this will looks like better finished look, that's why I done this. You can skip this process if you want. And I'm applying generous amount of glue and pasting it properly. We will repeat this same process with another box also. I hope you guys are loving this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and make sure to like this video and comment your favorite part. And now our both boxes are ready. Just hold it using a sharp thing. Here I am using a pin to make a hole. You can take a compass also. And that's it of the video. I will attach a final result